Ryan from Codabowl here, and today we're going to learn about PEP 8 as we begin a journey together to learn the Python programming language. Since PEP 8 is much too large to learn about in one video, we'll spread it out over several videos in the future as we begin to talk about Python. You can expect to learn the purpose of PEP 8 and how it's used by Python developers around the world. In a nutshell, PEP 8 is about code readability. It's one of the many Python enhancement proposals and serves as a style guide when programming in Python. PEP 8 was created by the developers that you see here. The beauty of Python lies in its community and all of the various contributions that have been made by those who use Python daily. As we learn more about the language, you're going to see the millions upon millions of contributions that the community has made to Python over the years. So what do we mean by readability? Codebases are read any time that work is done on an application. Readability determines how efficient that code will be accessed by a team of developers. PEP 8 offers a set of standards that keep code consistent when working with Python. If you maintain your code according to PEP 8's standards, then you're going to ensure that you have well-named variables and consistent spacing. You'll look more professional when applying for a job because employers will know that you know how to work as part of a Python programming team. Now, understand that PEP 8 is huge. It is a style guide that concerns the whole of the Python programming language after all. So, we aren't going to cover all of it in one video. Rather, as we learn Python in this course, I'll be sure to introduce PEP 8 concepts as they are relevant to the material. Feel content that as you finish up this video, that you know the following. That number one, PEP 8 is a style guide, and it helps us maintain code in a way that's readable for other developers to come and work alongside us. It's not something to be memorized, right? We don't want to try to fit all of PEP 8 in our head. We saw how large it was, and there are free materials online to reference it at any time. And third, it's something we're going to learn over time, so stick with me, and as you go through this video course, you're going to learn everything that PEP 8 has to offer in the Python programming language. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Ryan from Codabowl, and I'll see you in the next one.